kursi de lana lo Salva Kiir ma shalo bara mushakil da Junub Sudan ma binta lia peg lia bukun mafi not blue not bumut kul ma yom bas kul malat ka Salva Kiir lana nas kulu ga da ko mun Salva Kiir there are long Kadung Salam. Min 2015, how many years now? Salva Kiir de long Kadung Salam. Nazu got book to look Kulmayom de Lona the Kanamal Tarir. Can't Tarir in Takalas. Yes, you should be willing to take this power forcefully. Forcefully is Shiluba War. War, I didn't get another shackle, my Salva Kiir. There's Salva Kiir long Kadung Salam Kulmayom. Yeah, 47 members, and then as Kutaria, 47 lawmaker, SLIO, 47 members, by degree, illegal degree. Ubachua, Bogolanangal ceasefire, and a mother shagala. Mujana Yonganaga. Then I put the wood cal, but Rigel White, you got a Gilgal Nazare and GSLIO. They put the wood cal, Salva Kiir. Chen so Sudan de kuma riang mi char mangat de na yong Salva Kiir ko dung riang mi char ma riang mi char is a politician kada god position nak mo de dung Salva Kiir ke pek wazal wala riang mi char mo de dung Salva Kiir pek lana Salva Kiir that's you waiting for riang mi char yi bara Parliament members, those who couldn't fight right Kenya, Chariak Mishar Bolin. Kulul. Men Jala the Kunpo gentleman ballot, Lana Kunpo is not just talking, Kunpo the members of Parliament. Number 2, SPL political party. That's Chariak Mishar Bolin. But you are Banaga Koro. Any giant thing, pan, any giant thing, local court, any giant mangat. Any giant mangat. Che dung giant, che dung riang mashar, a dung SPLIO. Decision need to be taken. That either SPLIO, you will go back to Salva Kiir, or you will declare a war on Salva Kiir. Liberation. Full liberation. That's SPLIO Bashir Salva Kiir bara Besla. Cha Salva Kiir de lang kulmayom kadung salam malok Salva Kiir. 47 members. They get kamrar without justification. Without law. That's Salva Kiir biji bara zede sakran bas ubamal degree without lana ubarabu. Nothing can happen. Salva Kiir galo la na ba yebu wale ma jabu Salva Kiir gal yi jayden wuzir ba shilu bara fiye tan jayden chalo bara Salva Kiir decided that Riek Machar will go to jail. Riek Machar got decision. Salva Kiir decided that SPLIO members will go to jail. They went to jail. Salva Kiir budugu for Uganda, they killed it for Uganda any day. While we figuring out Salva Kiir still do chalakal jille chullebus jille lewze Uganda yamda you can power with Salva Kiir. It was a Uganda military, a Uganda helicopter, a Uganda Antonov, but with Kanin Durnan Guankun, the Uganda and Taladin of Uganda, Sharadu Gumai Betam, Lakbadu, Doguzar, Ogalo, shut the fuck up. Yeah, shut the fuck up, Salva Kiir. Lana Uganda don't give a damn about Salva Kiir anymore. Cha Uganda Lueg Donald Trump, man, Donald Trump is not playing. Galule Museveni. Yin Yung, but Yil but to declare Feja that University by Yelungot. What's a Museveni Dare, Garagula Salva Kiir, fuck you. You're Dagu Rad without Dagu Sharadu Gumai, a Maluke for Uganda in Dare, and Uganda never apologize. Like Uganda or a few America. It is time now for SPLIO, go to my Riek Machar is just one man. It's just one man. SPLIO will move on by declaring a full liberation against Salva Kiir. Full liberation. ya bana lu ga kal bas de na po de wut kal wut mate de ramate de jinu Sudan kulu wagi fok ba kalam zol ayan de ha Salma Kiir musul lot zol mat kalan se ho gade kal baje bara ba degree bitaw be Friday da degree men ngaj SPLIO ana ma de who the fuck are you SPLIO de salam jabu man ila salam de wen salam la gade kalam ne janin salam for the 7 members of SPLIO Bishilu man bara de lawmaker we talking about lawmaker in SPLIO no SPLIO de lo you don't have a power then biu Junub Sudan bara biu Junub Sudan bara biu le Sudan government take it back to Sudan government am jin le burana dil gade burana shil Junub de take it back to Khartoum ashan nu shub den kawo banadu Salva Kiir balga Junub de min wen den alang Salva Kiir de lang kulma yo Salva Kiir mangat ajata SPLIO kulu chalo wadana SPLIO still saying that salam de wen for the 7 members lawmaker Bishilu bara gade without justification budun ganun che dal na SPLIO you've been fighting since 2013 Loutum kan amal liberation, full liberation kan Salva Kiir fat. Lakin you will fight this man and tomorrow you sign a peace agreement and peace agreement it will never go nowhere. Lala dorje young. Kelel ni man young Salva Kiir. Gadu door the bot the yan mo de young na. Oh, international lel bambo gulle Salva Kiir enough is enough. Why they don't want to kidnap Salva Kiir? International should kidnap Salva Kiir. Should kidnap Salva Kiir like president of Venezuela. Then this Sajman de Nazmi Amalu kidnap. The Mabaji Bara Sakaran we bet with the individual members but I feel I of Bara for the 7 members. And you think it's okay. It is bad. Utumas PLIO think twice. Either you go for full liberation, Tahrir Junub de Shilobara bin Salva Kiir, or forget about it. Kada Salva Kiir shekal bamu bataw. Si buku madele Salva Kiir. SPLIO de aizo le shil sala bataw am shi belet. Wer furn am ci jaw year am ci ko fur man tab. Am ci jaw year you will be better off. Shil sala bataw de am ci jaw year fi Mandang, am ci jaw year fi Jogmir, am ci jaw year Maldare, man your own business. Wer fur am ci amal zra bataw. Salva Kiir ke yabdal ma hukuma bataw ma danga hukuma dade enough is enough. Lano ita ma bakalam kalam salam bukra salam SLIO big go with it. Oh ceasefire then now for the wood cal and they know that's the young Michel God decision these people will never do anything. No, Riang Machar is a South Sudan citizen. Riang Machar malada bataw. Ata lokatalo Riang Machar lele nurma ba mutkulu. Nurma ba waga kulu. Riang Machar just one man. Chana de young dung Riang Machar. Kan Riang Machar good decision SPLIO declare a war. Full liberation. Ujunubin bagi mak bukra. Lakin kalam salam ma Salva Kiir ya kwana. Salva Kiir cattle 47 or 40,000. One isn't it? The bill of white, I'm a target for Juba for 2013, December 15. Targeting one twice. And Salva Kiir is still talking like nothing happened. Till the major talk, nothing happened. One man can kill 40,000. 40,000. Jannah, Marra, Gad, Check. Dang, shunu zede, ulisa gare, rayin yet. Like nothing happened. Listen, the more you talk, salam mazole, the more, Bisharbak Gabila wad, Sharbak Gabila wad, Sharbak Gabila tanwer. Taratalga gal, year the GSPLIO, and GSPLIG, Nathan Liu, Pegas PLIO Canwara. Nathan Liu to job at SPLIG Canwara. Year the Noir Canwara. The Mukbata said man white was Batado than cow and other Salva Kiir. nuer chetwal ga jang kulu nuer ma ga ko mi denga kulu lakin nuer den ka wa de yo balakam nuer kulu balakam nas kulu but you ai de daro de biga go de oh ceasefire chikala mafi anana nas garang de anana gamfia koba lana koba de moton da nuer yo ga chakal manas kai lora ba moton yo ga chakal via koba sin when de care about moton da nuer sin when garang aten ma denga de care about moton da nuer alga de dorobu patayara de ma moton da nuer ka kai na bas na gana kai bas you know so lo SPLIO ma bashil junub sudan kulu dan SPLIO you know SPLA gasam sudan SPLIO za da gasam junub sudan kwalen yaman dak en junub alanile kul fi full liberation malalat ga bogolu junu galuk chore tarik junub tarik al nil go for it go for tarik al nil kwa junub da gisumu junub da finus ma salbakira gisum sudan salbakira ma gisum sudan kala junub da gisumu SPLIO de shil al nil amul declare dollar alele ma fi somaliland shagal alele somaliland shagal fi somali we have two somali now fi somaliland fi somali junub sudan ma gisumu kaman SPLIO bas pocket fi kalam al nile dorob mal to yolle shilu yol fi muluk shilu yol fi ruwen shila al nile kulu declare al nile de dollar braw declare al nile dollar braw no re give rais bita al nile o biu benzim da za masal ga garbi illegal biu benzim da kaman illegal fi black market o wen biu bara yes bita SPLIO de kulu ga fi wara juba de give al nile mobile force ma biya ga rajin falanil focus on anil amsig alanil amsig floyd amsig ruwen amsig bentio shil benzim de declare afanal de dollar de nuere ora is fi dollar da dengal gas fi alanil umman ma de go fi alanil bye go amshil le dollar bra dengal fi usal bakir dengal gas fi alanil umman de go karum man go fi dara tanwer de na yong usal bakir kun mayom zede for how long will Salva Kiir keep doing session? Salam baji kef. Salam zare kalamu ma pop bronze zare chelu. Kura bra Salva Kiir el shende kura ala agile da kudu bukuchim gal salam ji salam maja talga Salva Kiir gale na TV da de dol da shaitan. De dol bata shaitan. Pop nadu from blessing. Amji give salam vidola batak. Kom amji give salam. Salva Kiir tala from nabu gudam Francis led for Francis there. Call him TV jajo wa ajal kulu ba malupa kunjur. Junube ya kwana examo. Too many people depend on SPLIO. Too many South Sudanese depend on SPLIO. This is reality. If SPLIO fail, forget about Ajal Denga Bogul Agal, they will run South Sudan for 100 years. We're talking about 1,000 years. 1,000 years. If SPLIO fail, failing of Anyanya too was better. Lana Folina Mitib was a man enough. Salam Folina Mitib Amalu fi ma jongran. Folina Mitib Jama Jij without Fijuba. Ata ma Folina Mitib ma da SPL ma bakala ma Fijuba lan Folina Mitib Jama Jij without Fijuba. De salam ko izade. Lakin salam da SPL ayo ba mulu rais bida umam Juba ba yedenu da ba yedal jang kulmayom. Kulmayom ba yenag jang ba yedal jang ba yong jang ba. And you will see too many things. I got to go for live video on it. That's Denga the Musamar Blit. Denga the Musamar Blit. Arab is a mar of Arab quest. Arab Badik is cool. Arab will school you. Arab will build hospital. Arab will do a lot of good things. There is a mar Arab. Arab Bajib police. Arab will buy security. Arab بكل الناس يزرع في جوير في ملالقاوي. Arab will protect civilian. ده يسمار كويس. لكن يسمار بلا دينغا. ده يسمار بس ناس قاعد يقوم بمريضة بس. سكران بمريضة كل ما يوم بس. إلا لو من بقى سكرانين في فرايداي زي ده فاري بدأ في جوبا كلا إيه ديجري بعملوا ناس سكرانين. بيجيبها وراك زي ده بين سكران بس بكرة ورقة بين سالباكير. ده زولتاني will sign for it ما سالباكير. People are drunk. People are drunk. While in America, yeah, people are still working on Friday. Juba, they start party, kalas, sakaranin. Juba, sakaranin. Yela woman biji barabas, SPLIO, when SPLIO, what happened? 47 members, lawmakers with SPLIO, Taraduman. Pimalta, Salam. Wenu Salam, they Michel Guide Vision. 47 law members, 47 lawmakers, Taradumana, kalas, but SPLIO guide for Kuma Daltani. So why SPLI, why you still wasting your time? Because I'm Salam, but Salva Kiir. Salva Kiir le go, they go Salva Kiir betal fi Juba. Wala ni le kundola. Kalam guluk chual ga de gulu da. You should think, you should rethink it. You should revisit Kalam da guluk de. SPLI should revisit Kalam da guluk da alanil ba mulu dollar. If you declare alanil dollar, bukura nas kutar bagi ma SPLI. So Sudanese bagi ma SPLI nas ta alanil la. Lord Denga, but I almost give us who care. Danga the moon falanil. What do they have falanil? Danga mind of go falanil. Danga mind of go falanil. Lay Samarunas falanil. Then I yag a young falanil. Then I yag a young Fijuba fi Bargazal. The bill of Kulu, the Nuera Gar falanil. Then where Noir, the yag a young falanil. Makala sit, Dung Sudan there, Gulu Junum Sudan, but limit forget about it. Salbakir go away. Can I go to Fijuba? Then declare al nil dollar, come on. Kara al nil kun dollar. Ma Sudan gasamu. Sudan was a good country. Ugasamu alele. Denga gasam Sudan. So nuerza desam al nil. Al nil kun dollar. Declare al nil al country. Lopi denga there to give kalam there. Denga there is highly welcome. Lord denga bor is highly welcome. Then denga bor alele taban viyeta salvakir come on. Ma bizul there good. Ma full majority of the denga there. Albanado denga bargadal. Nothing more question. This denga da Bargazal is useless people. Ajat woman got amalu da ajat people will keep killing themselves every day, but ajat are not bleeding, not sakranin bus. Denga Bargazal they're not good. Ana mutagi loaded denga puro ka raise there, ajat them basal. Even John Garang can boktul now the John Garang got into mind of uniting South Sudanese. Mind of differentiating what is good and what is bad. Lakin Denka Bargazal woman mo baharibin haja kulukul. And this is why Dengabur call them pulling majority. We have to call them what they are. They are pulling majority. We should be thankful to Dengabur that these people are really fucking pulling majority. You cannot call for ceasefire today. Ubukura, they thought 47 members of SPLIO, lawmaker. Who are you? Albatar Nazare. The Mukuda Danga Bargazal. So not Dengabur as a woman tabanin zed with Mushakal da Danga zede. Then another with Alanil let the limb malwide and declare a war. Alanil Kundola. Go for Alanil Kundola, Kalam, go unity with us also then forget about it. Forget about unity with us, unity with us. What kind of unity it is? What kind of unity will you get from Danga Bargazal? What kind of unity will we get from Danga Bargazal? Shiramis, but I'm there, guys, we online. They're working for Juba government. Shiramis Kulum, they're working for Juba government. Now, like when you will, now, Mama Mira, they're working for Parliament for Juba. Woman into me not. Do you think that's Okuma, the red Okuma, we shall not get down? No, SPLIO declare a war for Alanil. Alanil Kundola. Lo, if you cannot afford to fight Salva Kiir, can Salva Kiir you got for Juba? Najuba Bukura. If we left Najuba Kaman, they will leave. Karsal Bakadam Shibargazal. A man like this should not be at peace anymore. SPLI, you still have a capability. It's in the Sula, in the Gua. Do this while you still have power now. Otherwise, riek ma char be fugu ma be fugu be kalam be jibu jub denga taban be jib kun foj bukura ga noir wun noir gondi noir yela baraj ke nyat bas char riek ma char bolon ba riek ma char lun ganun ne wen lo ganu torodu law maker na da gadamal ganun ga shilo bara fi parliament ganun ne balga wen who will protect riek ma char interests. All right, riek ma char right na da gadu misijinde lo torodu man fi mal da ganun ila sa denga yo fadal fiu mana kun foj. So I think time has come a chance to revisit Kalamata Guluk. Kalamata Guluk sure right. That's Alanile Kundole. Alanile Shilobara Minjinumsran. Okar Salbakir Abdal Fijuba. Ulo Juba there kun independent Juba Junubusran is very big. Kare kun talada dollar. Udanga dem she got bravo Barzal, Danga Barzal. Denga alanil lo ma fi denga barudal bukura denga alanil ma fridge mishakal afa danga fridge mishakal now the woman got a fridge mishakal by some barudal they now foolish majority baje mai mud da kilbus denga padang da denga bore lo ma fi denga barudal they will be peaceful woman ma mishakal ma izol. Therefore it is too bad for SPLIO you need to think twice. Lodo yidi Uyidi is not making a decision. Uyidi but I got to mother al nil kundola. Uyidi kala zamishi bargazal. Amje, Uyidi kare amal salam mata ma Salbakir. OSPLIO bra alanila declare alanila independent country. Again, Somalia land two Somalia, fi Somaliland, fi Somali. Fi is Africa in it. Somaliland ain't no group without shakal beshilling. Doing business ma habaj, doing business ma Kenya. Who give a damn? Club UN. Along my Vishakala for Somali, they're living better now on their own. Alani labor kun dollar, Alani lasade, in the resort, we have oil, in the Sumugarab, in the Samak, in the Gaj, in the Moya. They should know my Alanil, we are the first Alanil, the first citizen for South Sudan. Be result betana de ma bizol fi alanile ananda kulu tabanin be muk betana tabande ananda der namal salam mazol katal 40,000 moton ta alanil moton na katalu fi 2013 de kulu de al katalu fi alanil al katalu fi juba de moton ta alanil de moton ta alanil and we still ananda derin salam shub na de na shuluk de umman be bara wallahi denga bargadal chala rad betana wadale denga fada la ina ananda der salam ma dole salam mata din munu Salbakir mazul der salam dul der shilu bara baguo besla ya anyanya wen ga fi gaba 17 years SPLA fi gaba 21 years 38 years anana zal fi alani lo mo ngon fi gaba lo Salbakir go no go fi gaba bas 5 sana shakala batana de kullu concentrate with fi haja de fi floji ne de floji shilu bara fi yed bitaw ana floji odda ma kabil Salbakir Ukuma da Salbakir ta warab de chakal fi poloju ni malakal. Poloju lo shala de Salbakir network. America ma gari chakal ma zol sada. America bamji wara network buta gruj. Network money network. Money network de yo poloju de. Money network de yo poloju de. Lo SPLIO shal poloju de gisa inta. Tomorrow you will do some condition that yak mishari fiku. Lo de yak mishari de fiku. Be fiku bukura. As long as you capture for their class, they have money network with them. Like I know to make feel I to see money network. We use the young for Juba. Oman Bashir Gruch Alanil. O Motan da Alanil Taban, Motan da Denga Taban, Motan da Chiluk Taban, Motan da Nyak Taban, Map is all quest for Alanil, not Taban and Kolo. Udanga Bargazal, but you got a gum sabab Lungara, but Sakaran Gruj Butana. Woman besijin that Garat Butana was the young Michar Sajano. They're not for cancer, you know that the leaders of Alanil. As a SPLIO, I'm afraid that SPLIO shall over there. Lawmaker, they will go to jail too. They will join Riek Machar too. The next thing, now the Kulu Sajanum for the 7 members there. Lano, min my shield about Juba, you go nowhere. You live in no Juba. So I will not be surprised that tomorrow they will go to jail too. accused of being working with Young Mishar, the criminal. Mokoin la der beje bara gal the criminal. Young Mishar is a criminal, really. Anguja don't let him much the fact for in as a banana Mokoin la der gal chitum Young Mishar, gal Young Mishar is a criminal. So to SPLIO just revisit Calamity, look there. No SPLIO cannot afford to liberate South Sudan, Kulu, as all. Then SPLIO need to think about Al Nil. Just because you think about something is not because you're going to do it. But think about it. You must have a plan A, plan B, plan C, plan D. Plan A is now to implement the peace agreement. Plan A inta for implementation of the peace agreement. That's what Zol Batana Bogul, you know. Gwendid, Gundwed, Benarumuna, Gwendid, got fight. Couldn't fight. That's we have a right to disown 2018 peace agreement. I'm sure. They will disown 2013, 2014, 2018 peace agreement. And they will do it. Who will stop them? Nobody. You cannot defend on America. You cannot defend on Trica. You cannot defend on IGAD. You cannot defend on anybody. You have to defend on yourself. Ajat Africa de garamul bugulbet. Tigri tarot mangiza al-Mariam. Ma SPLA kulu. Tigri shal mangiza al-Mariam bara fi Addis Ababa ma John Garang ma Salva Kiir taradu de bas. Tigri gabila wide bas. Gabila wide bas. Yo gari shakal dolo kulu. Agwo government fi Africa kulu de kan mangiza al-Mariam. Tigri shal bara. Alele while we speaking now, Dr. Abi alele taban viyeta Tigri. Sibdenga talada million or 4 million. Tigri is 10 million population that's South Sudan. Wabay, they 100 million. 100 million fighting 10 million. Tigri go alele. Talga Tigri but Juagaba, but Silabas Kulum. Well united. Dr. Abi de Magada lab Lungara Tane. Nano bad Tigri demono. And Tigri are well united, don't give a damn to continue to make a Tigri with later. In unity, Marvin nuts going for his Africa like Tigri. Well united, woman guiding the region that Tigri. Woman got shackled by 100 million. 100 million. Ghana population, but population to 111 million. Second to Nigeria, followed by Egypt. Population to Africa, Nigeria, Chinese with Africa. Followed by Abaj Tawale. Abaj the 111 million. 110 million you got 110 million you got you know. 100 million you got shackle 10 million that Tigri. And Tigri number cry. And they did it before. Woman shall mangiza, but Ajata Tigri Bamulu Bara, but in the end, woman Bashil Dr. Abi de Bara. Bashil Dr. Abi de Bara. That's what they did, my Mangiza Almedium Yamdak, Amara, lip moment. In the end, SPLA Kulawagi, my Mangiza Almedium, shallow bara. We are no way, you know. So, Denga, Arba million, you got a girl, you know, Kulu, Arba million, only 4 million. Them are 5 million, only 4 million, you got a girl, that's cool. What kind of bullshit it is? 4 million. It's not even 4 million. Maybe Lana head con quezare. Denga de Bokun Talada million bus. Talada million yo garamali rab Lanascolo. Talada million yo garamali rab Lanascolo. They will declare a war. When you fight us and not shackle be a cover Tarabu Danga, Illa Danga Jabatri Gatani. Ceasefire anymore. I know not for cover any to go in a ceasefire. Well, SPLIO, you have one option now. Either you declare a full liberation against Salva Kiir, or you join Salva Kiir. Nanama Islam. Or you join Salva Kiir. That's Riang Misharma Shilobara. Salam Mafi. Chala the Kunpot, Silla Salam, who will disown 2018 peace agreement, Chariak Mishar Bologn. Ukalas. As a Kunpoj, your Minister of Information, but woman. Kunpoj is a Minister of Information, but a danga. Yeah, Kunpoi now is the Minister of Information to Denga. So whatever Kunpoi say, it is already done. If you miscalculate Kalamda Kunpoi da, then you have a problem. You have a problem right there. Whatever Kunpoi say, it is done by Denga, it is said by Denga. Kunpoi is not just a Kunpoi. Kunpoi say wouldn't haratane. Kunpoi now is working for Denga full time. Whatever Kunpoi say is already done. Kunpoi now is the acting Minister of Information by Denga. So mashallah the Kunpoi you talk, you good. They should. So SPLIO decide what you want to do. Lakin kalam salam ne salam ketel. Lana 47 members, but SPLIO taradu zede. 47 members, lawmakers. 47 members, not just the local people, lawmakers. While 8 members of SPLIO include leader of the SPLIO guard decision. Kalama bugolo nas tiang mag tiang gal